G'day Christian creators. Do you want to make an amazing profile picture for your YouTube channel, but you don't know where to start? You think it's too complicated. Photoshop is too expensive and Canva, let's make it simple. Okay, let's start with Pixlr. All you have to do, and it's free, I'm not an affiliate, but all we do is type it in, pixlr.com. We have some choices. Pixlr X is kind of like Canva, better. Pixlr E is kind of like Photoshop, but not as expensive, and you don't have the learning curve. We want to go with Photomash. You can already see where we're going to go with this. The only thing you need is your own photo, but make sure it has a clean background or a plain background. It can be like this one here. We just need to keep it simple because we don't want to, well, we're lazy. Now, there are some choices we need the premium version to try, but most of these are free. Pick the style you want. I mean, look at that. I'm going to choose this one. Now, obviously, that's not me. Let's click on Change Photo. This is as easy as it gets. Let's find a photo that we can add. Wait for it. Done. Look at that. So far, that is it. If you don't want a pink background, well, we can just change that background for blue. Oh, look at that. We can change the outline to thinner. Actually, I'm going to go with that. Then shadow. Not liking the purple. A shadow. I'm going to go with that shadow. Again, I can go down here. I can change the distance, the direction, and I'm going to go with that. Then we can change the effect. And I'm going to go with black and white because it just stands out. Now, you got to remember, this is going to be a circle when it comes to the profile. And I'm going to make this a bit bigger, put that in the center, a little bit above, maybe to the right a little bit. And there we have it. You can even put text in. Done. I don't want it, but you can change the photo. And if you keep your pictures simple, it's that easy. And again, you can change the background. Oh, don't mind that. Don't mind that. Maybe a bit busy, but hey, go with what you feel. There are so many choices that you can make with this profile picture. Go do something awesome for God, and I'll catch you in the next one.